Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, there is a very good hiring opportunity which is coming here from the company Mountblue for software development engineer role, and the package is 4 LPA. Friends, it's a very good company and the job profile is also very good, and there is no 60% criteria here. So graduates of 2023, 2022, 2021 are eligible to apply. I will tell you the complete process. And friends, there will be 3 rounds will be there. So once you apply, you will be getting the email. So that also I will explain you, friends. Before that, if you are preparing for Accenture, then Accenture crash course plus 10 mock test series has been launched. Okay, here you will be getting reasoning, pseudocode, verbal ability, cloud and networking, coding, and 10 mock test series, and the price is just 399 rupees, less than a movie ticket price. The link is in description. Get it right now. Okay, now, so friends, if you come and check here, so responsibility: work in a team to develop, compile, test, debug, and deploy software, develop web and mobile applications using JavaScript, Python, Java, HTML, and CSS, ensure closely to 100% timely and defect free software deployments, write documentation for the software and APIs, support software during production, and provide hot fixes. Okay, now, so what basically they are looking for? So familiarity with at least one programming language. So if you know JavaScript, Java, PHP, or Python, anyone, then you are good to go and apply. Good analytical and problem solving skills, self motivated, this every company will write. Friends, one more thing: 2024 batch, please do not apply till they write 2024, right? And other batches like 2021, 2022, anyway you do not have other opportunities right now, so you apply, and they are sending an email instantly. So what you have to do, apply with Google, right? So already I have applied. So only two information they are asking. Okay, so software development engineer, apply with Google. So already I have applied, so that is the reason it is not showing. Otherwise, only they will ask your email ID and contact number. Once you provide, then dear Online Study for You, thank you for applying for software development engineer position at Mountblue. Level 1, complete and submit the coding challenge, self-paced coding challenge link. So instantly you will be having the test here. So Mountblue job challenge, complete the challenge to get a job offer for an entry level SDE role. Okay, now, then friends, they have not mentioned any graduation degree. So any year pass, I mean any degree graduate will be able to apply if you have a coding knowledge and if you think you are good at programming. Live coding interview, we will verify if you have completed the challenge sincerely, and then HR assessment for those who qualify level 2. That's all. And then you will be getting a package of 4.8 LPA from Mountblue. Wonderful opportunity. Please do apply for it. Thank you, take care, and all the very best.